Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Gmail profile picture on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily change or update your Gmail profile picture. In order to change Gmail account profile picture on iPhone, you have to open a browser first. You can use any browser you want. So I'm opening Safari. On your browser, search for google.com and now tap on your Gmail ID profile picture and tap on manage your Google account. Once you are in Google account page, here tap on personal info and tap on your profile picture. Now tap on change, and if you select illustration section, then from this illustration section you'll be able to select a illustration design for your Gmail profile picture. And if you want to upload a photo from your device, just tap on device photos, tap on continue, photo library, and now from your photo library or iPhone gallery you can select a photo to make your Gmail account profile picture. And as you can see, the photo is uploading. Once uploaded, you can crop the photo. You can rotate the photo by tapping on rotate and tap on next and tap on save as profile picture, and that's it. This is how we can change our Gmail profile picture on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.